I got this pain that I just couldn't believe it. And I knew something was horribly wrong. And so I got to the hospital, and I thought I was having a stroke, and they had this ER doctor came out, he took one look at me, said, "This is not a stroke. This is a cluster headache." And then that's when it all started. The pain, it's just unbelievable. I've had kidney stones. I give them about a 4 or a 5 on a pain scale. This is a 10. There's nothing you can do. There's just nothing you can do. And the thing with cluster headaches is you got to keep moving. You're just banging on your head or rolling around, or, I detached my retina banging on my eye. It's about a 30% suicide rate. And I can promise you, there were many times I said, I'm not going to be able to do this. What if I live 20 years? I'm not that strong. Because I was a couple of times in the bathroom when she was gone with her daughter money. 2 times with a daughter money. So I had, 6 to 8 hours of that psychedelic pain for 10 years, every day without fail.
There was a period where I wasn't sure who he was because of the pain.
Yeah, I'd lost my whole personality.
Yeah.
No sense of humor, no fun, no enjoyment, just dealing with the pain. I had struggles with the headaches and seemed to be no cure. And Dr. Saria informed me of a new device and wondered if I'd be interested in giving it a go. And, since it would be something that would be removed, if it didn't work, no harm, no foul. So I said, I raised my hand and said, let's do this. The insurance companies were not too friendly with this. It was new. Initially, it was denied. And there was, I saw it as a hard stop. But the folks at SPR and their care team, they began the appeal process, and it was absolutely hands off for me. And then they called me and they said, okay, we got the approval, let's put it in next week. I was like, what? The level that these people go to at your company, it is shocking. You folks were on point every time, there to help me, answer the phone, do whatever it takes. It was amazing. And that's all I had to do to make this pain stop, just show up. It took a half hour. They didn't even put me out. And then all of a sudden, boom, gone. Gone. I mean, gone. There's a lot of people suffering, and I'm going to tell you, this thing worked. It worked. When every neurologist on the planet told me there's no cure, there's no relief. You go through the worry and you're so used to the pain and when it's going to come and how long it's going to last and how this is going to be. And then one day, and I remember the moment, I was sitting in Chick-fil-A with a bowl of chicken noodle soup on my lap on a conference call, and I'm looking at the clock and saying, uh-oh, what if I get a headache? And then I realized, you're not going to get it, dude. You're good. Eat your soup and move on.
We're already talking about, what kind of boat can we get? He's feeling so much better. I should go boating again. We used to go boating every weekend.
I would say that this was the least intrusive, easiest, does it work or not, I've ever had. More than the ablations, more than blocks, more than any of the medications. This was the easiest try I had. Take the easiest path and the least intrusive path first.